हेलो फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल DS ज्ञान दृष्टि। हाजिर हूँ एक नई वीडियो के साथ जिसका टॉपिक है जनरल नॉलेज। और इस वीडियो में हम लोग जानेंगे फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ इंडिया। फंडामेंटल राइट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो definition of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are a group of rights recognized as essential for individual liberty and are protected by the Constitution, often through a Bill of Rights or similar provisions. In India, the Constitution outlines six fundamental rights in Part 3, Article 12 through 35. First fundamental right is right to equality. Right, Article 14 to 18. This includes equality before the law, provision of discrimination, and equal opportunity in employment. Second fundamental right is right to freedom. Articles 19 to 22. This includes freedom of speech, assembly, association, movement, residence, and the right to practice any profession or occupation. The third fundamental right is right against exploitation. Articles 23 to 24. This prohibits forced labor, child labor, and human trafficking. Fourth fundamental right is right to freedom of religion. Article 25 to 28. This includes freedom of conscience and right to practice profession and propagate religion. Fifth fundamental right is cultural and educational rights. Articles 29 to 30. This protects the rights of minorities to conserve their culture, language, and script, and also to establish and administer educational institutions. The last and sixth fundamental right is right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. This ensures that citizens have a recourse to the courts to enforce their fundamental rights. These are the six fundamental rights of any citizen of India. This is very important to know every citizen of India to how many their fundamental rights have. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो जो आधारित था फंडामेंटल राइट्स क्या है, मौलिक अधिकार क्या हैं और उनकी संख्या कितनी है, जो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है हर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, वो चाहे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के स्टूडेंट हो या सामान्य शिक्षा के।